So here it comes to a very tricky part of the strategy with price action, which is stop loss and take profits, and how you manage to not use none of those. Basically, the concept here is that we do not show our strategy to the broker. We don't show it. We just do it, and we take advantage from the 90% of the traders that use the wrong information from the markets, which is mainly charts and indicators. So we don't show a final strategy to market. That's it. We must be under a winning side of it all the time. So if we want to be on the winning side all the time, we have to be aware that we have to know where the 90% are placing their stop loss and their take profits. I mean, take profits, you can, if you want to, that's something that you can actually may consider, but you don't, I mean, many times you're going to cut your winnings sooner if you use a take profit on scalping on daily basis. Okay, so volatility can catch you entry very easily if we don't take we don't take the stop loss as a reliable solution. So if the trade lasts over 5 minutes in the market, what I have as a let's say something that I'm kind of, I have like an habit. It's a habit that I just put the stop loss way above, way below, something that just in case, it's something that you use just in case. When the entry takes over 5 minutes, you're exposing yourself too much, like a lot of time in the markets, then you just place it way above, way below, just in case. But it's not something that we consider as placing the stop loss 10 pips above or below, 5 pips above or below, 3 pips above or below. We just don't do that. Okay. Instead, what we do is that we expire the trade and we get out sooner than the stop loss solution. We know how to do it. We know that if the trade gets too long in the market and like a lot of time, over 5 minutes, we might be on the wrong side of the market. So probably I'm just going to get out of the trade even before hits the stop loss and the 5 pips or the 10 pips. We just get to know when probably we are in a trade that is just not on the right side at that price. Okay, so take profit will also work under our disadvantage as well. Also work manually and see how profits will react better to you. So manually every time. When you had to expire the trade, do it manually. Just don't count on the stop loss. It's not something that we are kind of, I mean, at the beginning, many people like really are struggling with price action. So they tend to have that from the previous experience and they just have the habit just to put it. But please try to get confident enough with price action so you don't have that situation happening to you that you just place the stop loss because that's what you do. And I've taken so many traders out of the bad habits of the stop loss and take profits, and now they see why. I'm because we see it. I'm telling you see that. Well, that was the stop loss hunting. That was the stop loss level. That's the stop loss level. That's the stop loss level. So we use the stop loss level to our advantage because it generates tons of liquidity to the market. So that's how we do it. If you want to be on the 10% of winning side of the market, then you have to know what the 90% is doing, right? You get to see where are they placing their stops. And you're not going to do that. If we enter in an entry that is probably not on the exact price, we're going to expire like break even price maybe 1 pip, 2 pips as difference. Is that specific what I'm telling you right here, right now with price action? Okay, so just consider this as something that you had to kind of be in I'm going to say in a very important alert when you apply price action to your trading. Okay, because one more time, stop loss is really not a solution. It's going to consume your energy, your account, your everything. So just pay attention to what I'm about to say in the next few videos, because we're going to talk about how not to use the stop loss and how we actually do it. So I'll see you in the next video.